It breaks my heart to see that how this entire protest became so political in nature, and it has just lost its focus from the real thing. I mean, we are talking about education reform here, right? If we really wanted that, just imagine through this protest, we could have gone so much deeper into this issue, because actually bringing in reform is not just about getting one person resigned because of a leak that happened right now. Of course, accountability is important, but what is the point of accountability for once when through a protest we can actually make so many changes? I will tell you very honestly that when CGP people came into the picture, I knew, and I'm sure so many of you would have known the same thing, that this is not going to be about student. Come on. And that's the reality. Do I support the government for this? Absolutely not. I want the accountability, but I don't want the accountability to be just a resignation. I want the accountability to bring in the systematic change that is required. Because believe you me, today we make this person resign and we make the best of the best person as our education minister, okay? Yet nothing is going to change, because if one good person cannot change anything if the system has a lot of fault. So we need the system to change, and we need to protest against that. If the citizen of India protest the right thing only, we can make any government do the right thing, take the right step. What are we doing here? We are making it political, and we are thinking, okay, if this government goes, if a new government comes, things will change. Nobody, nothing is going to change. Look at the opposition parties. Do you think they will bring change? Absolutely not. Like Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji said that in politics, everybody is playing the same game. So we citizens need to be smart to understand that it is up to us that how we take forward a movement so that we make the current government do the things that is good for us, for our benefit. And here right now at this moment, we are talking about the changes needed in the education system. One step at a time we need to take. We cannot bring everything all together. Believe you me, if this entire government comes down, right, a new government comes up, you need to still do the same. We should learn from our history, right? So I'm speaking about this because I don't know what else I can do to bring the focus back to the real issue and the real change that is required. And over the next few videos, I'm going to talk more about this, and I hope more people join into having the same conversation about the change that is required in our education system, not about BJP, CJP, Congress, all of this. Let the media cover this, and let those big influencers with millions of people take that same track. But let us, the general public, who are not any paid influencer or no agenda of such, let us do something about it.